Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back. It's Zach. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to be doing a review of the Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer for sensitive skin. This is a great option available at your local drugstore. Aveeno just came out with this Oat Simple line with a face wash, a serum, and the moisturizer, which is here. And I only picked up the moisturizer and I'll let you know why in this video. So let's jump into it. This product retails for $17.99, but you know me with my coupons, I ended up paying like $8 for this product, so that's a great deal. Shh, don't tell Aveeno. So I picked it up at CVS. It comes in a packaging jar like this. It is very, very similar to the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Gel Moisturizer. They're both owned by Johnson & Johnson, Aveeno, and Neutrogena. You know, it's the same packaging. It is a very similar product, and the only difference is that this, instead of being overloaded with hyaluronic acid, it actually has oats. Why is that important? Well, hyaluronic acid can actually hold a lot of water onto the skin and be very plumping, but for some people it can be a little bit aggravating. And for other people that don't need all that plumpness but need more moisturization and hydration and soothing, then oats are great for that. They're very calming on the skin, and people with rosacea, acne, and eczema can really benefit from those oats instead of that hyaluronic acid. This product was made in Canada, so you just open it up. And like I said, it is the jar packaging. You just dip your finger in and put it on your face. I don't mind this type of packaging in a product like a moisturizer, because if I'm doing my skincare routine and putting on my moisturizer, then I've just washed my face and my hands and everything's clean. So I have no problem with this type of packaging. The price point, you get 1.7 fluid ounces of product, and again, for $17.99, I don't think that's a terrible price, especially if it is a good product. So is it a good product? After 2 weeks of using it, I have realized that I really like this product more than the Neutrogena. I really like both the products, but if I could only pick one, I would definitely pick this Aveeno Calm and Restore Oat Moisturizer, because it feels very, very similar. It holds onto the water, it's hydrating, it softens my skin, it feels very smooth, but I really do think that it helps calm my skin. The day I started to try this product, I actually had a lot of pimples on my face, so I was reluctant to try a new product when your skin's breaking out. It's just not a good idea to bring something new into your skincare routine, because you just might get more aggravated. But I figured, whatever, I don't know. I don't know why I decided to do it, but I did, and I woke up and most of those pimples were gone or really on their way out. Now, this is not an acne treatment. I was using an acne treatment along with it, but I do think that this kind of helps soothe and hydrate the skin so that it didn't get irritated from the acne treatment. So that's really, really awesome. So how do I use this in my skincare routine? In the morning, I go in with either my vitamin C serum or an antioxidant like the Q10 from the Inky list. I go in with that, one of those, and then I follow it up with this product, and then I go over it with sunscreen. Now, my skin has been really dry, so sometimes this just isn't enough. So if you are extremely dry skinned, this might not be enough for you. But for most days, it does work well for me, and then I just go in with my sunscreen. I also like to use this at night because, again, I think it is really hydrating and calming onto my skin. So same thing, will go in with a serum. I like to use the Buffet or the niacinamide serum by The Ordinary. Something like that I will go into. And if I have any pimples, I will go ahead and spot treat those. I usually use benzoyl peroxide or azelaic acid for spot treatment for those. And then I will go in with this moisturizer right here. And then I will follow that up with an oil or even a heavier moisturizer over top of that, and then tretinoin. That's how I would incorporate this into my skincare routine, but everybody's routine is going to be a little bit different. But this would be your moisturizer, or it could also you could just put this on right onto damp skin and call it a day. If you're more oily, this is probably all that you need for moisturization. And then sunscreen for the morning. Clearly, I'm a big fan of this product, so do I recommend it? Yes, of course I do recommend it. And like I said, since you can get this at the drugstore, I think it's really easily accessible. Most people are convenient to a Target, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, you can run in and get it. Try to get it when it's on sale. These type of stores do have sales, so I always recommend doing that. This was actually buy one, get one 40% off. Then I had a $3 off coupon. I had a $10 extra care bucks. That's how I get such great deals on this product. If you go somewhere like Walmart, you're gonna pay a little bit less than at CVS, but there's no coupons sometimes. You know, sometimes there is, sometimes there's not, but at this time there wasn't, so I got way better deal by going to CVS. I think I'm gonna put a video on my YouTube channel talking about how I get all my coupon deals so I can share with you guys how to save more money. And that's a big reason why I like to shop drugstore products, because when I'm looking online at a new product or an indie brand, which is like a smaller skincare brand, if the product says $18, I'm probably paying $18. Maybe I can snag a 15% off, but a lot of times it's for new customers or during some sort of holiday sale. So $18 is $18, maybe $15 if I'm lucky. But if I go to the drugstore, $18, like I said, I paid $8 for this. Yeah, I'm not going to get that type of a deal buying online from an indie brand. So that's why I'm a big fan of drugstore products, but I do understand that, you know, people don't want to support these big labels anymore, and I totally understand that. The reason that I decided not to pick up their calming cleanser or their serum is because the serum is very expensive. It was like $22 for only an ounce of product. I've seen other people do reviews. They said the packaging's not that great because it's like a little squeezy tube, but you don't get a lot of product, and they said that it was kind of annoying, and they felt like the moisturizer was the better option and more affordable. And since it's winter, I'd prefer to have a nice moisturizer than a serum. And then I didn't get the cleanser because I have a lot of cleansers that I really like right now. And because it is a cleanser, it's only on your skin for a minute or two, and then you're washing it off. So for me to have like a new calming cleanser, I mean, it's not really going to calm my skin. It's just a cleanser. I need something that's going to clean my skin or treat my skin. A lot of my cleansers that I use help treat acne and blackheads and clogged pores. So I really like to spend my time, the 1 to 2 minutes with that on my face, treat my skin, and then I can go in and hydrate it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. That's all I have for this video. Hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment with what you think or what you want to see next on my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, bye.